Today we're going to show you how to use the Pythagorean theorem. When we have a right angle triangle with side length A, B, and C is the longest side, the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, Pythagorean theorem says that C squared is A squared plus B squared. It works for any right angle triangle, and we can use this to find unknown length of any right angle triangle. And I'll show you how to use this formula to find any missing length of a right angle triangle. Let's start with example 1. We have a right angle triangle with side length 7 centimeters and 9 centimeters, and we want to find the longest side, which is x for this one. So let's use our formula here. C squared is A squared plus B squared. Again, C has to be the longest side, which is x for this example. So it'll be x squared equals 7 squared plus 9 squared. 7 squared is 49, 9 squared is 81, so if you add them, it'll be 130. So we have x squared equals 130. Get rid of square by putting square root on the other side. Therefore, x equals root 130 centimeters. Let's have a go with second example. We have another right angle triangle with side length 4, hypotenuse of 5, and we want to find that vertical length. So let's use the Pythagorean theorem again. So C squared is A squared plus B squared. For this example, our C value is 5. Therefore, we can come to 5 squared equals 4 squared plus x squared. 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16, so we have 25 equals 16 plus x squared. Let's find x squared by getting rid of the 16 first. So minus 16 to the other side, which will become 9 equals x squared. 3 squared is 9, therefore x is 3 units. For our last example, we have a trapezium with 3 meters on top, 6 meters on the bottom, and vertical length is 2 meters, and we want to find that sloping side length. In order to use that Pythagorean theorem, we must find the right angle triangle. So if you draw a vertical line right here, we can create a right angle triangle. The vertical line is 2 meters, and the bottom one will be 6 minus 3, which is 3 meters. So let's use our Pythagorean theorem right now. C squared is A squared plus B squared. For this example, C is the x that we want to find. So x squared equals 2 squared plus 3 squared. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. So if you add them, it'll become 13. And get rid of square again by putting a square root on the other side. So it'll become x equals root 13 meters. The last thing I want to talk about today is about Pythagorean triples. It's a set of positive integers a, b, and c that fits the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is a squared plus b squared. I'll list down 5 sets of Pythagorean triples, which is very common in math questions. The first one is 3, 4, 5. The second one is 5, 12, 13. Third one is 7, 24, 25. Next one is 9, 12, 15. And the last one is 8, 15, and 17. It's very useful to memorize because it comes out in math question quite often. Thank you so much for watching our quadratic videos today. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel for more math tips and materials. Study smarter, not harder with Zach.